right, everyone. Hello, it's I Sleep Too Late here with another video. I am going to be talking about cEDHSkill, a Discord ranking bot that I developed. It was a huge headache to figure this all out. I had to use my buddy Jay, who is a genius. I had to use ChatGPT for most of the debugging. I wrote this 40-page manuscript or manifesto containing the README files. But yeah, I spent like an entire month working on this, and it was an incredibly taxing project. So, what does this bot actually do? I want to direct your attention to this GitHub file by Phil H. Basically, this GitHub user created a JavaScript implementation of OpenSkill, which is a way to rate or rank players in a multiplayer game. So if you're not playing like 1v1 like chess or tennis, you want to play doubles tennis, you want to play like EDH Commander, you want to play 3 player, 4 player, 5 player, whatever, then this is a way to do it. And I looked into this. If you watched made a previous video where I talked about TrueSkill and how I wasn't, you're not allowed to use TrueSkill, which is proprietary for Microsoft. Um, you can't use TrueSkill anymore, but you can use OpenSkill, which is an open source version of an open source alternative. And they talk about the speed of the models for OpenSkill, how it's a little bit more efficient. Um, so this is some really great stuff here, and this is the actual article that was published by the author. Let me just scroll up here. There's a lot to read here. I'm just going to show you the what the front. Okay, so it's called a Bayesian approximation method for online ranking. It's from Ruby Wang and Shijang Lin. Hopefully, I didn't massacre that. Um, this is like this is gold, and this was published actually in 2011. I thought this was like from the recent few years, but no, this has been around for over a decade. And one thing that I tried to do with this bot was I tried to use as much of this as possible. The issue I ran into a few issues where and I'll talk about this in here in this manifesto. I'll show a link in the description to everything. But basically, there's several things that don't really work with OpenSkill that do work with cEDHSkill, which is what I'm calling this. So we're gonna show you how to pull up this program and do it whatever you got to do to it. So you want to GitHub clone this project here, this one that I made here. It's called github.com/isleeptoolate/cdhskill, and you want to go to the green button here, code. You can download the zip file or you can git clone, whatever. And what you want to do is you want to go to that directory. So I actually have the directory here as a copy right on my C drive. And I'm just going to do this. So I'm just going to do this CD, copy and paste that. So that'll bring you to that directory. And then you're going to want to type npm install. Okay. It's as simple as that. And then what happens is that this creates a folder called node modules, which contains all the modules that you're going to need. You're probably going to need, so you're going to probably need node.js if you don't have that installed already. I'm pretty sure that's something that you're going to need to do this. And even if you don't have it, I think command prompt will just tell you that you need to install it. But always leave a, if you have any questions, you can always ask me about how to do things. It's going to say run npm audit for details, or you can do npm audit fix. You can do that if you want. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's fine if you want to do that just for extra securities. Like it fixed one vulnerability. But the one thing you don't want to do, I would advise you not to do, is npm audit fix and then force. Some people do this, and I don't think that that's good. I've tried that before, and sometimes it can break things, especially when it comes to compatibility issues. But yeah, so now you can see that node modules is here in the folder that you cd'd into. And then what you want to do is you want to go npm run build. Okay. You want to run build. And then what happens is you want to go into that README file. So I'm going to just pull it up on this here, source, and then under config.ts. So this file, you should have your Discord bot token, your Discord bot ID, your server ID, and the admin. So you should be able to get into developer mode on your Discord account. If you don't know how to do that, I have everything laid out in the README file. You just have to read it. But the most important thing is that you keep your Discord bot token private. That's the biggest thing, honestly. Everything else you can like I can go into your client. I can go into any like Discord server and figure out what the ID is just by right clicking it. But the Discord bot token is the one thing that's very sensitive. So, all right, so we built the thing, we did the thing. Now we want to register our commands. You want to do npm run commands colon register. And what this does is it'll register all the commands. It'll show up this, it'll create a database file under data database SQLite. It'll register the commands, and then once you do that, you hit npm start, and then boom, your bot will be created. So now it says the logged in as ibot28. So the bot is actually live. I'm not going to show Discord because of security reasons, but the bot is live right now on my test server. And you can just leave this running. I mean, you can just leave it running. You can go on Google Colab if you don't want to have a computer running 24/7, and just host the server where you can just keep this command prompt running. And every 24 hours, it's gonna activate this decay logic, which is every after 8 days, if somebody doesn't play ranked for 8 days, their rating will decay slowly to a threshold of 1200. And I talk about this a lot in the in this folder here. I talk about so many things. It's just a lot to read and a lot to sift through. But I'm here if you need me. This video was just to kind of show you how to do it, how to set up the bot. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. If you want to learn more about the theory behind cEDHSkill, you can read my manifesto, or you can message me on Discord or YouTube. So hope this helps everyone out there who wants to create a ranking bot. Again, this bot can be used for anything. It doesn't have to be used for CDH. It can be used for casual EDH. It can be used for any game, really. It can be used for teams. That's one thing I forgot. I'll probably make another video about this too, just to kind of show the other things that it can do. That's pretty cool. But you can go team labels. You can do like ranking by number, like first place, second place, third place. You can do all that stuff. So hope this video helped you. I can't really I don't feel like I can show all 40 pages in this video, but it's a lot to learn, and I figured I'd just show you a little snippet of it. And if anybody wants to know more about how to do this, I can certainly make more videos going forward. But yeah, this is a bot that I helped ChatGPT helped me make, and it's been a lot of fun. But I think I am officially done programming for the next like 3 years at least. All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.